Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool inventory right here, and basically what this is a soap pump that's basically like a sponge caddy as well. So definitely put the sponge on top and you can dispense soap on here, which is pretty cool. If you can see, this is basically what the packaging looks like here, and it's from this brand right here. So the cool thing about this part right here is the fact that you guys won't need to use like the soap pump dispenser anymore. All you're gonna do is put the sponge on top right here and dispense it for you. So that way actually makes life a lot easier when you guys are doing your dishes or whatever. And for this product, they actually have it in many different colors and different designs as well. They have it in like a matte white, a gray, a silver, and the one that we got right here is a metallic gray. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. So they basically probably got a sponge inside right here. So definitely really cool how they probably got a sponge inside right here. But you definitely use your own one if you guys want to. And then right underneath that is the actual product itself. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take out the product, this is basically actually looks like right here. So you see inside right here, they do have the soap dispenser right here. So what you guys want to do is put the sponge on top right here and it will dispense the soap on top right here when you guys push it down like this. And basically the way how you guys open it is by going like this. You guys want to take this part out. You can basically pour the soap inside right here, or if you guys want to take this part out, just like that. Once you guys take off the lid, you can definitely pour the soap inside right here if you guys want to, which is pretty nice. And when you guys are done, you guys can close it back up like this. And you guys want to close this part up as well. And it's basically all set. And you can put the sponge on top right here. So that way it actually works as both a soap dispenser, but also work as a sponge holder as well. So this is basically what the product looks like right here. Let me actually go put some soap inside right here and then show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And I will come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have this cool, amazing product right here. As you can see, basically what it is like a soap dispenser. But instead of you guys actually dispense soap like this, you basically just want to push it down. So you see that hole right there? So you basically want to push it down. So that way you guys actually get more soap out and you can start washing your dishes however you guys want to. If you can see, you can definitely see the soap right there. So if you guys want to do dishes or whatever, you definitely can. It produces a lot of soap out here. So if you're trying to be very minimal, definitely getting one of these soap dispensers are actually really nice. They actually save a lot of space and that way it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to actually get soap out when you guys are doing dishes or whatever, compared to using one of these where you guys have to keep pressing it down. This one you just have to push it down, get it, get ready, and wash your dishes. So it's definitely super easy to use the product if you didn't see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to actually use the product. Once you guys pour your soap inside, you can definitely start using it by pushing on the top part to dispense soap out. And you can see from the video, it actually dispenses a lot of soap out, which is pretty cool. So this product is actually really useful if you guys want to use it at home or if you guys want to use it in the office. Basically, you guys can actually use this anywhere you guys want to. And this way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to actually dispense the soap onto your sponge to do dishes or whatever. And definitely when you guys look at the product, it's actually very minimal. It doesn't waste that much space. And you don't have to worry about using one of those soap dispensers anymore where it actually has a pump option. You can basically just push it one time and it'll dispense the soap on here for you guys, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys want to make your life a lot easier in terms of like doing dishes and you don't want to actually use like a soap dispenser. Instead, if you guys want to use like a 2-in-1 where it actually holds the soap inside and dispense the soap for you guys and also hold the actual sponge for you guys, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually doing. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.